Q, Kudak Real Time. All other companies in the report are spokes. NVIDIA's NV Ventures quantum portfolio, Quantinum, Q Era, Psi Quantum, does not include Xanadu, but NVQ's links modality agnostic design means Xanadu benefits from NVIDIA's quantum ecosystem buildout. Regardless, the Thales Sovereign AI Factory is NVIDIA's flagship sovereign AI deployment in Canada, giving NVIDIA indirect exposure to both Railtown's orchestration workloads and the future Xanadu quantum integration. And there's all the sources.
Yo. Yo.
Right. I'm knackered. Let me see if there's any comments.
This guy. What's up, Fishy? Testing. Can y'all hear me? Let me know if y'all can hear me. Moderation activity. Moderation activity shown. Hello. 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 What's up, brother? Let me know what's up. Can you hear me? Oh. Thanks for being awesome, Fishy. Thank you for that. Thank you for the gifted membership to SS Red 72. I don't even know who that is. But thank you, man. Much love, and I know I can't even remember the last time I streamed and been with you guys together and doing this. It's been tough times, man. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go into the laptop and just stream and see who pops up and who comes through, and yeah, and just find out what I missed. Of course, I miss everybody. I miss you guys. I'm just hoping my laptop can hold on. But for some reason I think something is up with oh wait, are you serious right now? Why is my... Are you serious? Is my laptop tripping right now? Are you kidding me? Bro. I just got on, and now all of a sudden now my stream is tripping. What? Yo, you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. My mouse is frozen. So, like, my screen just went, like, just showing William, and then on the side just seeing my animation going on. But what is this, dude? Dude, this is crazy right now. This is crazy. Yo, I can't even like move my mouse. Wow. This is what I get for coming back? This is what I really get for coming back. Dude, you should see how my screen looks like right now. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna take a picture, and then I'm gonna send it to the Discord. So let me record that right now with my camera. So literally, I'm on stream right now. I had William on one tab, listening to his freaking rants and whatever it is. He was actually going over BlackBerry, which was shocking, since he's usually all about Railtown. And then here you see like my animation here. It's literally going. I'm here moving my mouse, and oh, you see that? Yeah, this thing is tripping right now. Oh gosh. This is tripping. Dude, my mouse is moving so slow. Here, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna post it on the chat on Discord right now. What was that? What was that? What was that? I heard somebody screaming. Yeah, but then I heard like a noise. No, como si fuera un tiro o algo. Como si fuera un tiro o algo. Yeah. Not there, outside. Out like somewhere outside. It was really loud. What is going on, dude? What? Oh, it's kids? Oh, never mind. Freaking kids, man. I'm tripping. Change the batteries? Maybe. Maybe that might work. I'm not too sure. I'm trying to press everything on my laptop, like, and it's not even working. Like I think I might have to just restart my computer. I never thought that this was actually gonna happen. You know what? Let me try something fast. Let me remotely access my laptop through my phone and see if I see something here. Let's see. Bro, are you serious? That is mad funny. I guess we're gonna have to access the stream through my phone. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Okay. I guess that works. Oh, whoa. Yo, it's running. That's a lot of memory. Is there something different about my computer? What is this? That's 2 gigabytes? Why is it using so much space? Dude, it's wild. Look at that. I might have to just close Discord right now, just to be on the safe side. Close Task Manager. Alright, let me see if this actually... I think it's good now. I think it's back to normal. You guys can see everything? Well, of course, I mean, I have to switch the screen. Man, it's tripping out, man. This is crazy. So what's going on? Oh, What? Why does it do that? Okay. Let's go to Trading View. You guys have to keep. You're gonna have to keep me updated with what's going on. Mm-hmm. What? Oh. Just getting notifications of okay. Right. Delete all inactive. Delete. Okay. All right. I think we're good. I think we're good to go. You see Bitcoin pushing up here. Interesting. Yeah, man, just keep me up to date on what's happening. I feel like I missed out on so much. I missed so much on whatever is happening. I really wish that I could have, changed things. But I just had to work my way back up from the bottom. Michael Berry. So Michael Berry is long. I bought more GME. Someone bought 1.5 million in calls for July, and a bullish article came out saying that GME is 88.88% undervalued. Oh, did you see the latest post on X by GameStop? There was a promotion. There was a promotion from GameStop that claims. Look at this. This is nonsense. Claims that if you were to sell your Xbox One and your PS5 between the days of 420 and 422, that you would be getting in cash $420.69. I never knew. But let's see if I can actually find that article right now. Oh, here it is. And that's funny because today's 420. It's marijuana day. You have hundreds of people, probably thousands of people gathered in Washington Square Park, getting stoned and high as they celebrate 420. A whole bunch of cops is probably getting the secondhand smoke, just standing there like, oh, we can't really do anything about this because it's legal. And speaking of weed and 420, GameStop posted this over 2 hours ago on X.com. Caption is Do you need weed money? Trade your Xbox or PS5 for $420.69 cash from 420 to 422. So you have less than 2 days to think about trading your Xbox or PS5 for that amount of cash. But it says at the bottom, because for some reason I can be able to read the fine print with my eyes, because I'm farsighted or nearsighted. Offer valid. The offer is valid through April 22nd. Pro membership is required, so you have to have a pro membership for GameStop. Products must be in good condition and have all necessary components to receive the highest trade value. Defective items may be eligible for trade at a lower value. Product condition and trace value are determined at GameStop's discretion. PlayStation 5 offer is for slim models. Xbox offer is the Xbox Series X. Prices are subject to change at any time. All trades are final. Get cash here, the asterisk here. Get cash same as credit on all trades you make at GameStop. Offer valid in store only. Cash value may be issued in cash, prepaid card, or Venmo. Graded cards excluded. For details about, so you can't really use slabs. Let's say Pokemon slabs, graded cards to use it as a trade-in. So if you wanted to sell your Xbox for some graded cards, you can't do it. You're not allowed. Sorry, Pokemon scalpers. For details about GameStop Pro benefits and promotions, visit the website. Yada yada yada. Terms and exclusions apply. So that's the fine print at the bottom. Yeah. So that was. Obviously, the systems have to be in pristine condition, brand spanking new. Like you're maintaining it, you're cleaning it. It's fresh. Things, all the components, and whatever it came with. To get the close to the value that they are promoting. So we'll see how that goes. Comments on the side here. What if I need crack money? Someone's like, then steal it like the rest of us. Someone says that's on May 5th. So if you want to get crack money, that's May the 5th. And that's Cinco de Mayo. There's gold and copper inside the consoles. Figure it out. You guys realize that too, right? What up, Roaring Lion? Welcome back. It's good to see you after such a long time. But yeah, if you haven't figured it out now, there's gold and copper inside the consoles. You have the wires, you have the chips or graphics cards, processors, all the components that was used to make the consoles, everything that you can think of that is made with precious metals, like gold and copper, perhaps even some silver in there. So think about that one there. Other than that, I think, is there anything else? Oh no. I can't believe they actually used this meme. That is hilarious. What? Yeah, it's been a minute, man. I know. It kind of sucks. Yeah, I wasn't able to. It's just a lot going on, man. I had to just step away for a minute, recollect my thoughts, think about what to do, how to do it. What another news in GameStop? A new way to collect. Power packs are now live. Okay, so power packs are now a new way to collect. No hunting, no lines, no waiting. Pick your pack level. Oh, okay. You know what? Sometimes you know what? You know what's actually, you know what? It might just be me, but if I wanted to, and of course I would be contributing to GameStop by them taking my money. But I was thinking maybe doing just buying slabs off of GameStop, maybe. You know, like every week I'll just maybe every other week. I don't know if it's a smart idea. Maybe it's a dumb idea. You know what? Let's go ChatGPT. Wait, you make any new slabs? Oh, you mean like music wise? Nah, man, not even music. I told you, man. I've my touch. I just fell out for a while, man. You know. Oh man, you guys are trying to get in trouble. Why? That's hilarious, dude. Oh shoot. Wait, Roaring Lion, what happened? Why did you get blocked? And yeah, dude, you already know how much you already know how much he despises that guy. There's no way to even like mention. You know what I mean? Like, there's no point. That is funny though. Oh, what's the free offer? Oh, $0 for the first month. More access to advanced intelligence. Wow, I can't believe they're actually offering that. Codex Coding Agent expanded deep research. Promo terms apply. Promo pricing applies for 1 month, starting May 20th. ChatGPT Plus will continue at $20 a month. Cancel at any time. We'll think about it. How he's touchy. How touchy can he get? Tell me the scoop. Tell me the deets, man. What's been happening on the other side? What have I missed? Tell me the drama. I like to hear the goods. I was thinking, do you think that it would be a good idea, investment wise, not financial advice, to buy a starter pack from GameStop Power Packs. And holds for the long term. Let's see. Probably just give us a random answer. Short answer: as an investment, buying a GameStop Power Pack, Starter Pack, and holding long term is not a strong strategy. It's closer to gambling with collectible upside and than a reliable investment vehicle. Oh, okay. Let's break it down clearly so you can decide strategically. Let me see. What do you say? I thought it was 2. Roaring Lion, you see it. Wait, what did he see? What did you see, man? Let me know what's up. What's up? What does it say? What power packs actually are? GameStop's power packs are essentially randomized pulls of PSA graded cards, Pokemon, sports, etc. Starter tier begins at $25, with higher tiers going up to $2,500. You don't know what card you'll get. The value is probabilistic. Physical versions often include one graded card, PSA 8 and above, plus booster packs. Oh, okay. Investment reality. This is the part people miss. It's basically a loot box with real assets. You're paying for a chance at a high value card. Most outcomes will be average or below your purchase price. From community sentiment, it's basically a Pokemon casino. That's blunt, but directionally accurate. Oh, the Marantz and the collaboration. Yeah, there's no way in hell he's gonna like that for sure. So he's gonna feel how he's gonna feel, and then he's gonna. Yeah, I mean that's the reason why he had to kick you off. It must be that personal. He has it out for that guy. Let's play some slaps, man. Let's play some small jams. Some jams here. I know it's been a minute. Wait, you got booted for a week. Oh, it's timed? You can actually do that on Discord? I forget. I actually forget about that. That's insane. After everything that you have done for his channel, bro. After everything that you've done to bring out the good vibes, and this is what you get? Not even a heads up, not even a warning. Like, hey, dude, you're my guy, and I appreciate you for everything. But I really respect that. If you not mention that name. You know how I feel about that guy. So out of respect, if you do me the favor, just don't mention his name. Thank you, fishy. Something like that at least. But to be booting you for a week like that, it's crazy, bruh. That is really crazy, like for sure. No, I mean if he does it, for entertainment purposes, I get that. But if he takes it personal, he does those things. I mean, a lot of people are going to notice, and they're gonna pick that up, and then they're gonna feel the same way. And I don't think that's good on his part. You don't want to show your weak side. You don't want to show your emotions. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, but you know, like for example, you already know how I would have, if I was in that position. You know how I would have felt and how I would have said it. You know how I would have dealt with it. But that's because I'm lying. I'm me. I love my peeps. I love my fam. I do everything out of respect and understanding. But all that other stuff, man, I really don't get why. But you know, just acting that way in the long term, it really hurts. It really hurts your channel. It really hurts your channel. Oh, thank you, man. And I'm sorry that you guys have to deal with that. So, but hopefully you guys don't take it personal. You know, you always got to be the bigger man. You just gotta come out being the bigger man, and yeah, that's it, man. That's might as well just move on from that and keep doing what you guys are doing. Keep doing your thing. Oh, this is a perfect order. Oh, I think it is. Darn it. Oh, this is cool. I like this. What did I get? Yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh, the Velto. Oh, that looks clean. Oh, this card looks clean. Bless you. Whoa. Oh, that is sick. Yeah, but if the intention wasn't to be disrespectful, and you know he knows you for a long time, like he should not just jump the gun and just do that. You know, he would at least like communicate it with you, and just like how I was just saying, at least like communicate and let you know that it's just it's not right, and that out of respect, not to mention the name in the chat or wherever, and that's it, and then he would have to move on. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I don't want to get too touchy on that subject, because I have nothing to do with it. And it's not all about that subject. It's about us right now, and it's we're catching up. I'm back here after I don't know how many months since I haven't streamed. I think it's been over 2 months, maybe 3. I can't remember, but damn it, it's been too long. How are you feeling about the new all-time highs? I think it's just another strategy to prolong the inevitable. Maybe, I don't know. In my opinion. I mean, it's awesome to see that the markets could break all-time highs, and because of what was transpiring over in the Middle East and the war, and reopening the Strait of Hormuz, even though it's back to closing and it's getting bad again. I mean, dude, there's just so many things happening at once. There's so much uncertainty in the markets. You don't even know what to believe. Like, are we up or are we down? Are we gonna stay up or are we gonna actually fall down? Are we gonna actually crash? Or are we just gonna get trapped and then continue moving up? And you just gotta continue. You just gotta continue paying attention to the news, not the fake news, but news online. Just seeing what's actually happening all around the world and what's actually going to affect the market. And what's considered manipulating and what is considered beneficial and that is going to make a company profit and become successful. All of that stuff. I just feel like I'm not. I feel like I'm not as ready. I don't know. I'm not. I feel like I'm not ready yet to attack the market. But as you know, I've been on. I haven't really left. I haven't left. I've been lurking around this Discord. I've been hanging around, looking at what's happening. I've been posting stuff, so I haven't really lost touch on what I was doing. I still have been updating you guys on Discord, and I've been updating on everything else on the situation in the Middle East, foreign exchange, other countries, oil, yeah, dude, I don't know. What's going on with you, man? What's going on with you guys? Besides what happened, what you guys mentioned earlier. Once during your team has the ability or that. Oh, 120. That's cool. Yeah, I saw that. I was quite surprised, but then again, listen, I want to say, yeah, it's a surprise that we haven't. It's a surprise that we didn't see AMC collapse under 90 cents. And that is up to where is it at now? Let me see. It closed at 183. I feel like I need to put the SPY next to AMC right now. Hold on. Have a good night. Oh, you gotta go already? I will be on tomorrow. I will see if I can hop on around the same time. It'll just be in the evening time. I won't necessarily do the daytime. It sucks you took a break at a great time. There was a lot of money to be made, especially with the SPY and oil. You had a really deep understanding of oil stocks. Yes, dude, trust me, I regret not being able to get into a few stocks that I've been talking about for such a long time. It eats me inside that by now I could be debt free and being able to freely trade other plays and maybe quit my job and just chill in my brand new apartment and become a full-time trader and just have fun streaming and joining you guys. That would have been awesome. But yeah, this plays everywhere. I don't think I'm really late in anything. If you think about it, I am actually a bit relieved in a sense that the SPY is over 700. Because in my opinion, I consider that to be a sign for me to look into perhaps VIX calls. Perhaps loading the boat on some VIX calls long term. But it has to be a good one, and it has to be one that I could be able to afford. At least, a couple of contracts. And it has to be the right timing. And it has to be where it's hitting the actual bottom, and that there's signs of uncertainty, and that whatever plays out during that time would then result in the VIX coming back up and going for another uptrend, which would result in the markets to drop. So yeah, I'm not late at all, for sure. I know there's other plays too as well, as we've seen with oil too. They had reopened the Strait of Hormuz, and then something happened where they just ended up closing it again, and then everything started to collapse. There were ships being taken and other explosions. I don't know, but that's all I know for now. That's already. I won't be on for that long. And I'm sure you and everybody else has to focus on other things. I still got to get my mind right, and I got to figure out some things too on my end. Again, as you know, I have to now pay taxes, which is unfortunate. But yeah, Hims was a good setup. Yeah, you saw how much it actually dropped down. It dropped down dramatically, like a lot. It was insane. Oh, what? This was what? For $5, a Galarian Articuno. This card is sick. Let's see. Let me see. Let me just check that out right now. I'll let you know. Damn. Gosh, this is so nerve-wracking. Hold on. Is this? Oh, this is clean. This is a minty copy. Wow. What's up, Moistly? What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Oh my God, it's Moistly. I can't believe it. Long time no see. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to. I'm trying to put a card in the sleeve right now. Okay. Now. All right. Sup, Cow Zone. All the names, dude. All the names that this guy comes up with. Just infamous for that. All right. So. Now I just wanted to show you real quick. I wanted to show you this real quick. I also need to change the cursor on this because it's in black. I need a white crosshair. I need this to be thick so you guys can see. Apply to all. Alright, wonderful. That works. Alright. I just wanted to show you something here. I need for you guys to know. Well, you guys have been knowing for a long time, and you know how I've always been correlating moves from the market and the way that the SPY pushed a certain, most of the stocks up. And in this example, you have AMC on the hourly chart and SPY. You have, this. It's something that we've always been doing for a while, and just a trend overall, how it just moves along with the SPY it's so obvious. It's so obvious. You can literally see AMC mimic the move that SPY made. I mean, isn't that crazy? Look at this. Here was the bottom. Here was the bottom of AMC. You're following the crosshair, right? The bottom in AMC. This is why people usually just they get ahead of themselves and they think, oh my God, something's happening. Remember, this is all in my opinion and not financial advice. But just seeing this move and the fact that SPY came back from what was it, 620, 628 back in the end of March, and literally as it was climbing back up dramatically, and it just brought all the stocks up with it, and that also included AMC. So you see that, you see this, all this, you see the climb up, little dip here, climb up, bull flag, I guess that's a bull flag. So this is why I was wanting to show you this, and that I hope that you haven't forgotten, these things that I have explained in the past, and how the algorithms from the markets also affect those plays that we usually hold. So to me, again, in my opinion, to me, this is not it. This is not the run that we have been looking forward to. Why? Because this was moved algorithmically and along with the SPY and the rest of the markets. This huge pump could all come to an end, and all of a sudden, exactly, bull trap, tread lightly. Thank you, Fishy. You get the idea, you get the point. Trap, then all of a sudden, you start heading back down again. This is just a theoretical analysis or hypothetical analysis of what could happen. And not only would SPY then drag everything else, also with AMC, probably bringing it back down below 150. If the SPY were to come back down to like 680, let's say, for example, we're just an example. Then GameStop would have to then do the same thing, because somehow GameStop also has pretty much the same thing going on. But you know what? I think GameStop has been a little bit volatile in a way. But if we can zoom in here, hold on. Let me just move this for a bit. Let's see. Why is this? Oh gosh. Okay. Hold on. The crosshair is gone again. Hold on. Why is this? Here we go. Apply to all and yes. Oh, I need to save it. Okay, let me just save it. Save as. Let me see. Save as. Finds Pride. Okay. There you go. Alright, so you see okay, hold on. This is not as accurate. Oh, okay. Looks like this. I guess this part of the SPY right here. Oh, okay. Oh, it's here. That's interesting because it has stayed above 2250 for a while. But you could see how the SPY affected the price action here a bit, because you got this going on, right? A little pump from SPY back in April 2nd, and here GME with a big pump, and then a bit of a climb there, then a drop here, then a drop here, then another big pump, GME, and then you have the big pump here on the SPY, and somewhere here, I don't know what happened. It must have been news related, but SPY continued to move up while GameStop somehow plummeted back all the way down to 2250 around here. Then there was a gap. Here at some point here. So gap jumped down for a bit, then consolidated, and then we had another uptrend from the SPY, and then GME did the same exact thing. So again, like Fishy said, tread lightly. Oh, what happened here? Hold on. Okay, we're good. Tread lightly. Don't be too optimistic. All right. Don't be too optimistic. Don't go ahead of yourself. Always make sure you have a backup plan. You don't want to get smoked, right? You don't want to be in that position, and all of a sudden, and then you're gonna wonder why did it drop? Then you look to the SPY. And see if it's doing the same thing. If it's doing the same thing, then yeah. If the SPY were to break back over 710, back over 712, and then break to 715, let's say for as an example, then yeah, you would see GameStop also follow and track and break back over $25 and head somewhere around maybe 25.15, 25.20, and then you make whatever you got to make from there until it starts to consolidate again, in my opinion. Somehow, yeah, I think that's what I'm seeing. This is the 5 minute. It's the 5 minute. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing there. 25s, not 24s. Let me look at the 4 real quick. How's the 4 looking like? This is a bit. Yeah, and I know, dude. I saw the. You sent the screenshot of that, right? I think you put it on. You put it on Flex Your Gains. I think you put it on Flex Your Gains last week, and I was like, whoa. You did amazing. That's how to do things, man. And then after that, you just gotta keep consistent. Keep going with the flow of the algorithms, man, and don't miss out. Huh? Jimmy, this was SPY, doesn't rip with SPY. But it. Okay. Please look. Look at the 5 minute chart. I need you to look real carefully. All right. Remember, there's always some type of influence with the SPY. But if you could tell, obviously the SPY isn't gonna rip the same as GME, but even with a slight pump, right? Even with a slight pump from the SPY, could then push GME as an example even more because of the market cap and the price and the shares flow and all that. I'm just guessing. I'm just guessing at this point. You got the pump here. You got that little pump there from the SPY. What do I keep? Okay, right there. And then you have that. This actually, you know what? Come to think of it, this was separate. You could tell what's algorithmic and then what's separated, because at this point SPY was still consolidating, it was chopping, but there was a move that happened that took place here. You can see it from the crosshair. And then somehow at this point he had a move that went up this way. But then here you got like it pulled back, then SPY pumped like crazy, but then GME consolidated. Feel free to share what you see on your charts, and pull up to the Discord and post it. Also, I could also pull up Webull and look at the 24-hour markets, because that's still trading right now. So you can see we can take a look at GameStop. GameStop is somehow down. Hold on. Somehow it's down right now. Just 0.32%. It closed at 24.92. It closed at 24.96 after hours, so it was just 4 cents away from hitting 25. Then at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, when overnight trading hours commenced, here there was a big pop, where I feel like it always tends to happen after the 24-hour markets open. There was a big pop that pushed GME for about a good 5 minutes to $25.21, and then it was brought back down to $24.78. Then popped right back to $24.96, and then now just below that, and it's right now at $24.84. Oh, there you go. Here's another example. There's the pop, right, for GME. Then look at AMC. What on earth is this? Now you have a big pop here. Bearish candle there. Brought back the candle down. This is on the 2-minute. This pushed from $1.85 all the way to $2.19, which would make this the day high, the high of the day for AMC. So technically, it was way beyond $2. It broke the $2 and went to $2.19. But right now, since it was just that pop and something happened, and you already know, it's probably something nefarious, in my opinion, allegedly, supposedly, whatever it could be, manipulation, blah, 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 blah. Now it's just hovering and just barcoding at $1.85. Beyond Meat went on a hell of a ride today. If you guys noticed, Beyond is not under $1 anymore. It was before, it was at around the 70 cents range. It was at a low of 78 cents and a high of $1.17. The news. Why did Beyond Meat skyrocket today? So we're gonna take a look at that news. I need to look at the chat. I can't see. Lion, you see the FX Carlos vids I posted? Never mind, my old lady is logged in and I don't know how to switch users. To switch users on where? YouTube? And thank you. I was not expecting that. And of course the GIF too. That little GIF, that is adorable. But dude, thank you for that. For the 10, You're I have no words, man. No words right now. It's just thank you for everything that you do and your support. I appreciate it. Lion, you've been riding CAR though? You've been riding car? No, Calzone, I haven't been riding car. I've been riding bike. Oh. Let me just read this real quick. The Motley Fool, great. Key points: Beyond Meat stock recorded huge gains thanks to some excitement surrounding its new products. Meme stock momentum also boosted Beyond's valuation today. Beyond Meat stock posted a day of huge gains on Monday. The meat alternatives company's share price closed out the day's trading up 41%. 41%, excuse me. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite each closed out the session down 0.3%. Beyond Meat's valuation surged higher today thanks to meme stock momentum and the company's recent move into new product categories. Despite today's pop, the stock is still down 58% over the last year and 99% over the last 5 years. Will AI create the world's first trillionaire? Who cares about that? Beyond stock rises on new products and distribution agreement. Beyond published a press release on April 16 announcing that it had secured a distribution agreement for its Beyond Immersed Beverage line and with Big Geyser. What? Beyond Immersive Beverage line with Big Geyser, a leading distributor of non-alcoholic beverages. The team up will see Big Geyser will help Beyond distribute its new beverage line across retail outlets in the New York region. Big Geyser serves more than 26,000 retail stores across the territory. The beverage distribution announcement came on the heels of an April 13th press release from Beyond announcing the launch of its new breakfast sausage lineup. Sausage. Meme stock momentum also lifted Beyond. So Beyond Meat has attracted attention from meme stock investors and can sometimes see huge valuation swings on relatively little news. In addition to the company's recent product launches, Beyond stock is likely getting a boost from recent bullish momentum for the broader market. Keith Noonan has no position in any of the stocks mentioned. The Motley Fool has positions in and recommends Beyond Meat. The Motley Fool has a disclosure policy. This is from the Motley Fool. And even as the stock closed today at 116, it's actually up another 16%, and actually made it to as high as $1.45. So a lot of shorts at this point are probably getting smoked a bit. That's one hell of a pump, and probably a dollar call is booming right now. From 78 cents. You believe that? And there was another time here back in the 17th of April where Beyond Meat also bounced off from 74 cents. Oh, not even 70 cents, 65 cents, 58 cents. Oh, it looks like it had gone down to 58 cents, which was officially 52-week low of 50 cents was the official 52-week low for Beyond Meat, and from there just going on swings left and right. Here you go. Up and consolidate, up and consolidate, up and consolidate, up and consolidate, up, drop and consolidate, and then eventually up. So that this is considered a massive run up. because there was news involved. Not so much AMC, you know. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, wait, let me go back. Oh. Okay, there's some sort of a similarity, I guess, in the way this thing jumped up. Dude, that's actually pretty crazy. Whoa. I wonder if there's any correlation there between Beyond and AMC in terms of the meme stock correlation. GameStop didn't really do that, but it does have a nice. It does have kind of a nice bounce, but then again, it did have a little pullback there. So, I'm trying to figure out if this is gonna turn bearish or not. There is a gap down. I just noticed that there's a gap. Oh no, there's not. There's not. Hold on. Okay, this is crazy. Ryan from New York, he don't got a DL. I don't have a driver's license. Yeah, exactly. I refuse to drive in New York, let alone in the city. I'd rather just take the mass transit, take the subway. I'd rather drive an electric bike, which is what I have right now. And I've been riding it since last. It's gonna be almost a year now since I have this e-bike that I have, and that was like a few weeks, maybe a few weeks after my last one was stolen. But yeah. Let me just check something out. We got Lucid here. Lucid is somehow picking up the cents here. Trying to head back to $7. Wow, this is crazy. So Lucid Motors here hitting a new 52-week low of $6.75. That was the close for today, and now back up to $6.92. Perhaps that was the bottom for Lucid, maybe, supposedly. I don't know, but that is a big downtrend from $10.56 from almost $11, $12. Yeah, this thing had been getting chopped. That thing has been getting chopped ever since the reverse split happened. This thing has been getting chopped since it was at $25 a share, and I was just looking disgusting on the daily chart here, wondering where is the bottom. But then, yeah, that's another thing that's happening there. Dude, look at this, dude. Look. You have Plug Power closing up almost 16%, and if you take a look at the daily chart on Plug, I mean, this is looking pretty tight. It's pretty solid, this chart. The way that the 50-day period moving average bounced off to 200, and it's all trending up here at the moment at 3:16 overnight trading hours. But wow, like, what a swing. This is the same stock that Chris with a K have been putting us on game. He's been putting us on game with Plug for a long time. But did I get in? No. And this thing even managed to get to 69 cents last year, May, which is considered to be the all-time low for Plug. 69 cents. And then throughout the rest of the time here, and you can see the last run up here, all the way up to as high as $4.39, $4.31. And now we're at this point where we're having a big ramen bowl pattern happening, and the bull is just about to reach, hopefully, that top and break through those resistances and make its way maybe to 5, well, actually 4. Not financial advice. There's no infrastructure. Plug fits right in. In that term, yeah. Plug fits right in. You're fitting yourself into the plug. You are the plug that you are going to fit in to that outlet, and you're going to power up the stock with all kinds of gains. So it is outperforming, and I'm actually pretty shocked to see this back over $33. So if Chris is listening, or if this ever gets to Chris, and if he's still in the stock, congratulations to him. If he has been buying and holding the stock for as long as he has been talking about the stock, then yes, and he will be up hugely, greatly. It's a nice cup and handle for sure, Fishy. Definitely is. As we've seen there, as we see there on the daily. That's on the daily chart too. We check the weekly here. The weekly, even the weekly, man, it's perfectly bouncing. I mean, the 50, the 9, the 20 day period moving averages. I mean, it's four weekly bullish volume candles. So, I mean, and then within the next couple of months, depending on what the situation is with the market, I feel like there's a very high chance of this hitting $5 in the near future, and probably even more than that. There's a long way to go. And for the 50-day period moving average of the weekly chart to start climbing up alongside with plug, and every week, building up more momentum and more bullish sentiment and more buys and all that stuff, to perhaps maybe reach $6 at one point in time, maybe, supposedly, allegedly. So we'd have to see what happens again if the market permits, if the market continues to go on the trend back up, then you might see that. Let's check NEO. Yeah, we could do NEO real quick. I think NEO also is trading on the 24-hour markets. What is this? Oy. NEO closed today at a number that I cannot say. It's very evil. If you could check and see what NEO has been doing, it's actually kind of resembling what Lucid is looking like, in my opinion. If you just looked at that, I think you guys can see it. You guys can see the resemblance there, sure. We'll go back to Lucid there and see that. Oh wait, what? Lucid Group? Wait, what? No, wait, that's not it. Oh no, we were looking at no. We were looking at not NEO. We was looking at Plug. It looked like Plug had something similar going on. Yeah, it does. Look at this. Plug. Oh my God. Plug and NEO. Plug and NEO. Plug and NEO. Plug bounced off the 200-day period moving average on the daily. NEO had just crossed over the 200-day period moving average. Is still climbing up. with a little bit of a pullback here. It's a bit of a pullback. Maybe it's just cooling down, and perhaps maybe 625 is the next support, with the resistance of $7 a share. Remember this stock a few years ago used to be worth probably like more than $50 a share. If I'm not wrong, maybe. Yeah, it was way above that. It was at $66.99, and that was back in January 11th of 2021. So remember that? That was a long way from there. And now it looks like it's somewhat following the trend. Probably moving back up too. Neo, what is that? What's been happening with Neo? Any news from Neo? Maybe. I'm not too sure what they do. Neo to the, okay, so Neo 16 hours ago. Neo to deliver 100,000 revamp ES8 this week as sales momentum holds. The third generation ES8 is expected to deliver over 10,000 units again this month, after seeing monthly deliveries exceed 10,000 for 5 consecutive months. Neo is banking on the continued success of the ES8 and the upcoming ES9 to navigate a challenging second quarter. Dude, you know how long it's been since I've even seen the chart on Neo, or you've even like looked into Neo. I think it's been that long that I didn't even realize that they had these type of models. These SUVs, like, I mean, this is pretty sleek, but it kind of gives me a little bit of I don't know if you agree with me, but it's kind of giving me a little bit of a Land Rover, like Range Rover vibes, and maybe a little bit of a Fisker type of look in the front. That big circular emblem in the middle. That might just be me. Louis, what is good? Oh, sure. Louis, what's going on with you, man? Howdy. Welcome back. Yes, it's been a long time. I hope everything is good. Dude, you streamed recently. Fishy, I don't know if you realized, I posted a while back, and Louis, I don't think he was aware, but I actually posted your live stream on the Discord, and I don't know if anybody had caught that, but I saw you, man. I saw you streaming that one day, eating that good grub, eating that good food. I saw you. Looking good, man. How did you feel? How did you feel about that live stream? How did it go? And I think I was working at that time too. Post it? Yeah, let me bring out the Discord right now. I'll show you. It's just a small plate, man. I'm telling you, just leave it alone. Post it. I'll sub it. Here, let me look it up right now. Hello, William. I am uncontrollably bullish on Railtown to the point where I get the shakes in my legs and in my eyes whenever I think about it. Do you think about if Railtown corners the AI? Yo, what is wrong with you? This is Moistly, bro. Louis. Oh, here. Here you go. This is the link. Post it right now. Yeah, that's the link right there. Take a look at his stream. Let me see. Hopefully he didn't put it private. Oh man. Yo, Lewis, why'd you do that, bro? Why you do that? Why did you remove it? Come on, you would have gotten a few views on it, you know, like would have hit that like button, bro. Like, come on, man. Oh man. I had a feeling before I even clicked on it. I'm like, you know, what if he doesn't even have that live stream anymore? God. It is what it is. I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. But you know what? You know what? Regardless, I will post this channel up. I don't give a fuck. Let me just post this. Let me post this channel right now. Let me post this channel right now. Yeah. Already got channel right now. Yeah. Wait, where is this thing at? Hold on. Luis Ibarra. Not Luis Vasquez, bro. Don't play with me, man. Don't you dare play with me. So I'm not highlighting his name, man. Ever do that again? You go life. So this one? Yes, it's this one right here. There you go. Oh my God! Look at them brisket, loaded potatoes. Look at that. Oh, look, dude, you have like 1.2k views for this one. Almost 2k on that one. You gotta be consistent, man. Consistency is the key. You know what you could have done too? You could have taken your live stream. You probably would have been able to like cut it into shorts. Or like, you know, make like highlights of your stream and just post it. And you know, just let natural selection take its process and see it grow. Look at that. These are things that people will appreciate and, you know, will take motivation, will actually get motivation out of it and see the things that you do on your channel, and maybe that will make them do it too. For some reason I can't even load the video, but this looks so good. Oh no, come on, show it. For crying out loud, man. This is why I need a new computer. This is why I need a new computer, because I can't even load like 10 tabs on this. I want to see that food. I want to see it. If not, I'll probably just I'll probably put it up on Discord. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the avocado. No, wait. Yeah, let me see that. I'll pause it right there. Oh my God, look at that chicken and avocado with some onions and lime and all that zestiness in there. Oh, wait, is that? Why does that look like shrimp? Coño. Oh, duh, for sure, man. For sure. And you know what's crazy? It's crazy because I got that from. Well, I watched somebody. I'm actually mod for another streamer, and that's what he does. So I take an example for his channel, and then I'm just passing the advice to you. And this is what he does. You know, he usually will like stream, and then he will just look through the stream. Then he will take parts of the stream and turn it into shorts, and then if anything, then you can also put in highlights, and then yeah, dude, like just get creative with it. Damn, dude, can't get that in New York. Yeah, you can't get that in New York at all. I mean, we're pretty much diverse, and there's so much food. It's insane. Look at that. What? Hold on. I want to see that burger, bro. What is this? A water bug? Oh, great. Damn, man. Ugh. Great. Damn, that's a big water bug. Oh, shoot. Well, here, just take the piece of paper. Yeah, bigger one. Yeah, but to just take them both. No, I mean throw it out. No, throw it out anyway. Let me see. Yeah, I think you just get more shrimp in the south. I think it's fresher shrimp in the south than up here in the north. It's not the same. It's not the same quality. I mean, we do get. There's Bubba Gump's shrimp in the city too, but yeah, I just hear a lot that the South does really good food, and they even actually season their food in some places. That's where the bootleggers eat. Yeah, the bootleggers, the scammers, all them pieces of shit in New York. But that shrimp is crazy. I mean, look at that, dude. Sunday finds at the farmer's market. Look at them paletas. Look at that pie. Oh, man. Oh, sourdough? That's the bread to eat. Don't eat any other bread but sourdough bread. Give me 1 second. Not a damn chance. Hamburgers. Uy. Uy. Oh my. Bro, look how juicy that burger is. You serious right now? No, you gotta be kidding me, bro. That burger looks juicy. That's the juiciest burger I've ever seen, yo. Better than Shake Shack up here in New York. Not even Five Guys could do it like that. That's crazy. Ugh. Not a damn chance. Dude, New York has to do better. New York has to do better. Cause that is just, oh my gosh. I mean, let me stop. Let me stop looking at this because I am going to regret it. I'm going to regret it. But thank you for thank you for pretty much making us hungry with your content. And you know what I'm saying? Oh, there goes my battery. I gotta charge my laptop now. I forgot. But there you go. Yeah. Oh. So yeah, keep it coming, Lewis. Keep coming. Keep going. I want to see more food. Yo, if you make your food, you better post it. You better post them pies too. So please do so. Hold on. Let me Y'all shared the stream? Y'all shared the stream? Y'all like the stream? You give a shout out to my stream? We're just here chilling. We're just here chilling with the vibes. We're talking about anything and everything. Doesn't matter what it is. Food, stocks, what's happening currently in whatever situation. What did you eat for dinner? What did you do yesterday? It doesn't matter. We're just here chilling for a bit until it's time for me to end the stream and get ready for bed. So we got that news here. I know we were on Neo. We were on Neo just earlier. Neo Inc. will see the 100,000th delivery of its third generation ES8 this week, marking another significant milestone for the large electric SUV. Yang Bo, head of the user operations at Neo, revealed the information in a Weibo post on Monday. It comes after the company just completed the 90,000th delivery of the model on April 3rd. This means that deliveries of the third generation ES8 in April are expected to exceed 10,000 units once again. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. So let's go in deep detail. Let's check out Neo here. A little bit of a downtrend here, honestly. It's a 7 all the way to 678. Let's go to. Hold the lion pie. The lion pie has to be like yellow theme. So maybe some lemon meringue pie. Something yellow. I don't know. I also like blueberry. Blueberry is just overall my favorite pie. My favorite type of pie is blueberry. Oh, and sweet potato, and pumpkin. So yeah, those are my top 3 favorite pies. So yeah, I would say blueberry, sweet potato, and then pumpkin. Apple is decent, and that's it. Look, not to go off topic here, but Neo, if you look at it from the weekly, is crazy. It looks pretty tight. Let me see this right now. Let's see this right now. Huh.
Mira, llámate una porquería de cucaracha aquí. De la grande. Ya va a comenzar a salir asquerosa. Cosa que me da COVID. Pues sí, y digo yo, ay, pero que eso es un juguete para uno.
I guess, let's see, lemon merengue. I'm trying to figure this out right now. Oh, okay. Futures trading has... Whoa, what is this? Futures trading has fully resumed following an exchange-related order reception disruption. Whoa, what is that all about? Look at that notice right there on the top left side of the screen. Futures trading has fully resumed following an exchange-related order reception disruption. Something disrupted the futures market. What could it be? There could be a chance of a pullback actually. Now seeing Neo here coming down from $7.05, so next stop could be around 640, then somewhere around $6. $6 would probably be the main support level there. In my opinion, I feel like maybe that could be the situation. Somewhere around there. We'll see what happens there. I can't. Yeah, lemon meringue is fire. Key lime pie. I think key lime pie is another good one too. Key lime pie. We'll see what happens here. Let me take a look at what's actually moving, or what actually did move today. Any other requests of stocks to look into? Then there's so much to talk about. I kid you not, there's so much to talk about right now. It's insane. Oil is kind of holding up right now. Commodity level intraday targets key levels. Stocks rebound as Iran peace talks in focus. War hearing looms. Oil falls on expectation. U.S.-Iran talks likely to proceed. Opening supply. Alright, so it's like on and off again. Like, just make up your mind. You're gonna keep it open, or you're gonna close it. You're gonna figure out a peace deal. Do it. If not, you're gonna blow each other up. I don't know. Figure it out. The market has to go at some point in wherever direction it's supposed to go. So yeah. Let's see. TPET is a lost cause. That thing just dipped down so hard. It was a big jump from March, and then going down all the way under 50 cents. That's crazy. I want to say that Indo has probably been a bit more stable, even though oil has taken a huge hit from almost 100 and was it 115? No. How much did oil go up to again? Let me see. No one beats Poo-Tang pie. Poo-tang pie. Yes. Wow. Okay. So that was when. Wow. So crude oil had gone up to $119.48 per barrel. So that dropped all the way down back under 80. Now back up to 86. INDO here is still following in some way. It's actually consolidating now. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe another long-term hold there. You're getting at this certain price level. I mean, depending on what the situation is with oil, I don't know. I don't think we're done yet. Something could just happen and all of a sudden they close it again. You got tensions. You got ships being taken over. I don't know, man. We could just think about all the scenarios and what can cause the markets to react in such a way. USO, I think I have it here. I don't have it here. No? USO is not here? Oh, okay. Well. Yeah, AGIG got smoked. It's closing in on probably $1, maybe going under $1. Boyle is somewhere down there too at 13.55. I mean, winter is over, so there's no point in using the heater. Natural gas. I'd say the only two left that are decently good, I want to say, is IMPP and INDO, because it's kind of holding a bit of a support there above $4. INDO is like just above $3. It'll be a nice swing if something happens again, and then all of a sudden it starts shooting back up over $5, $6. That's just an idea, not financial advice, by the way. Precious metals, silver, it's going the same route. It's dropped a lot. It was at almost it was over $120 per ounce, and now it's just under $80 an ounce. Bitcoin at the moment is technically still on a downtrend, to be honest. I could be wrong, but let me see. Maybe, let me see. Maybe it did break a bit. It did break out of that trend. Yes, it did. But then it would have to break over the 200 day period moving average. And that thing is at like 82,000. So for it being at 75,000 right now, 75,749. But right now it's kind of like having trouble continuing its uptrend. So things that could change. Just have to see if it fails below 74,000, then that could be a bad sign for Bitcoin, and it could start trending back down, back to 70,000. Retail sales happening tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Not sure if there's any effect in that. That could be the case. again in the daily. It has to somehow break 82,000 and change for it to continue up. If it has trouble trying to break back over 76,000 even, then this could start pulling back again. I always lead it up to Bitcoin because for some reason, whatever direction Bitcoin decides to take, then the whole market, the rest of the markets would then eventually follow with it. We've seen that happen many times. Support, major support, maybe at around 65,000. I think that's where it would have to break for everything else to fail. Let's see. Bitcoin. Yeah, XRP is pretty much. Yeah, this is. I mean, there's nothing on XRP right now. It's just gonna continue tracking along with Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. Just like XLM, this is just the same algorithm until then. SPY. SPY hit a high of $712.38. That was back on the 17th of April. So that was last Friday. So last Friday was the new all-time high for SPY. $712.38. Right now it's at exactly $710. 714. Literally filling the gap. It has to break over that last high. That would be really crazy though, for sure. Just seeing the SPY just continue to go up and up and up in such a way that it just reminds me of the last bull market and how overinflated that was. I think that was just overinflated, man. Because there was no way for that to happen. Indicators. What the indicators at? Indicators? No. Indicators. Where's my MACD? Where's my RSI, bro? Okay. Look at this. This thing is insanely oversold. Not oversold. This is overbought. It's been overbought here on the 4-hour chart since the 14th of April. It's been overbought. Very high up there. It did manage to gap down, but still, even if it did come back up, it's still overbought on the RSI. Looking for a long way down. Same thing with the daily chart. It's the same thing. And if you notice, there's still that big gap. There's still that big gap to fill on the downside. So think about that one. That is a mean gap. There's a mean gap right there. Mean gap-a-roo. I back last week. Did you see Rave go up to 16? Wait, Rave? What is Rave? Remember, I've been out for quite some time, so I can't really... I wouldn't really know what that is. Rave sounds like a crypto. Sounds like a coin. There is here. Look. What? What's this? Wait, what? Long position. Bars pattern, rectangle. Here. There, look, you see the gap? That's the gap right there. That is your gap, SPY. You have this gap here between 660 and 670. And this has yet to be filled, in my opinion. Moaz. And the RSI, once again, especially on the daily, is freaking overbought. Literally pulled back. And trying to see if it actually starts doing that. If not, then it's just making things worse. There's no way that this market explodes. If Trump can pull it off, man, kudos to him. But I really feel like that the crash is necessary for many reasons. I can't really list that, and just strictly my opinion. Cause it's 420, and for 420, the SPY is gonna drop to 420. I rolled me a fatty up earlier for 420. Man, not for nothing. I'm just like, I couldn't do it. Even though it's been a long time since I decided to, you know, smoke me a Reggie. I sometimes forget how that feels like. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the only way that I would consider smoking a fatty is if it was grown, as if it was actually grown purely, just, you know. You know what I mean? If it was homegrown, nutritious, honestly, I would rather do that. I would rather just like smoke than drink. There's no fun in the after effects of drinking compared to smoking. But that is definitely great stuff. 10 years, you know, it's just, there's no point, you know, and then having to feel sick, having to hug a toilet and just throw up and feel like crap and with a headache and with your stomach hurting and your poop smells. It's all of the above. It's just not. That's not it. So I'm glad that's been the case. That you've gone for 10 years without it. Much respect, much love for you to do that. And I really hope a lot of people do wake up to realize that's not it. So y'all definitely stay healthy, man. Stay healthy. My son is getting hyped about this GTA 6. What do you think? No way. GTA 6. You know what's crazy? I don't know, but I stopped playing my PS4 for like over 2 years. I think it's been over 2 years, and you know, I've been in my own little world and sometimes in my own little bubble. And I think about GTA 6. And I hear about it. Long wait. It's been so many years. But knowing that if it's actually going to be that game, I'd say it's probably going to be a one to remember for a very long time. And I feel like it's, with all the new graphics, the technology, and everything that's put into games now compared to GTA 5, I think it's going to blow it out of the water. Plus the storyline, I have no idea. I don't have a clue of what the story is going to be about. But if they can deliver on that too, and everything goes smoothly on the storyline and the campaign, then this could take this could take the win. I wouldn't really, unless I end up being rich tomorrow, then I'd be like, yeah, I'll buy GTA 6 when it comes out and play it, because now I have all the free time. But for now, I can't even think about video games right now anymore, like I used to. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just getting old. So officially now, GTA 6 is 7 months away. GTA 6 Intel from March 17. Take-Two CEO says AI making a game like GTA 6 is laughable and not even the littlest bit possible. That is true. AI at this rate and at this point of where AI is at, it cannot make a game with the same level of creativity that actual people have done in past games, and to successfully create a masterpiece such as GTA 5, for example. For it to be AI and making it, no, it's impossible. But yeah, if he can make money on the game, yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, I would rather. I would be like, hey, if you want to make actual money, this is how you can actually do it. Because GTA is not gonna teach you how to make money the right way. And I don't think it would be smart for you to dress up in a suit with a mask on and go into a bank thinking that you're going to actually make money by doing a heist. And then get a 5-star afterwards and have the cops chase you. Wow. That's dope. 1996 Fleer, Michael Jordan. Wow. Really? That's a Japanese Sun and Moon Team Rocket Gem 10. That is sick. That is really, really sick card. Really? $23. Oh, that's a grade 6. Jeez. Some of my favorite pulls so far. Oh, what? Really? Bro. That's a promo though. Didn't I just get that before? No way. Nothing like a good 5-star. Oh yeah. Oh, the Bulbasaur, dude. That's crazy. The PSA 10. Oh, that Pikachu is dope. But I was looking at the power pack situation with the GameStop. I don't know. Let me see something here. Expected value, guaranteed return. Some math suggests packs can be slightly positive EV on paper, but EV assumes large sample size. You're buying one or a few packs, not hundreds. Variance is huge. You can easily lose money. Okay. Long-term holding doesn't fix randomness. Even if you hold, most PSA 8 cards don't appreciate meaningfully. Only rare, iconic, or low pop cards really grow. So if you pull a mid-tier modern card, which would be likely flat or down over time, if you pull a chase card, it's great, but odds are low. The biggest risk, you're overpaying for uncertainty. Example logic. Pack might cost $60. You need $45 to $60 or more card just to break even. Many pulls will fall below that. Smart investing approach. If your goal is profit, if you actually want a return of investment in Pokemon, better strategy, buy specific singles, graded PSA 10s, chase cards, target, vintage, WOTC era, popular Pokemon, Charizard, Pikachu, Mewtwo, low population cards, Why this works better? You control entry price, no randomness, easier to model long-term appreciation. When power packs do make sense, they're fine if your goal is entertainment, ripping packs, gambling with upside, casual collecting with a chance of it at a hit, but not if your goal is consistent long-term investment returns. Bottom line, it's not a reliable investment strategy. High variance, lottery style returns. Fun product with some upside potential. Interesting. Because I was thinking power packs. Because I was thinking if I were to do that, and then to be able to wait, where's the Pokemon at? Oh, there it is. Where's the Pokemon? Hey, give me Pokemon right now. I can't even click. This thing is bugging right now. Hello? Oh, jeez. Oh, never mind. I was gonna go to Power Packs and see, but I guess not. Nipo Pinchy. Alright, I think we're pretty good on that. We're pretty much good on that right now. I know you mentioned something about Rave, so I can take a look at that for a second. One second. Breaking news: Trump will appear on CNBC tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Guys, you hear that? Trump will appear on CNBC tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. 6:30 a.m. California time, I believe. Texas time, 7:30 a.m. Trump to join CNBC's Squawk Box for interview before market open tomorrow. How is that going to play out? What is this? Zero Hedge posting here 14 minutes ago. Iraq's pulling pro-Iran bloc races to choose prime minister while U.S. rejects main candidates. Whoa, what is this all about? Iraq is about to get even worse? No. Picking a prime minister, or is it sure? Deadlock continues. Who ultimately decides Iraq's leadership direction here? This is crazy. I never thought I would see this from Zero Hedge. Whoa, what is this? China just got caught red-handed. The ship boarded by U.S. Marines was up to no good. The Tuska was traveling from China. The Washington Post says it was loaded with dual-use chemicals used to manufacture ballistic missiles. Whoa, Beijing just got caught doing us dirty and Trump will make them pay? That's crazy. There's no way.
Using a guided missile destroyer, the USS France blew a hole in her engine room, stopped her cold. Marines choppered in, rappelled onto the deck, and took her over. The president says we have full custody and are seeing what's on board. It's an Iranian cargo ship called the Tuska, almost 1,000 feet long and weighs as much as an aircraft carrier. It's been under U.S. and European sanction.
Wow.
It was up to no good. The Tuska was traveling from China. The Washington Post says it was loaded with dual-use chemicals used to manufacture ballistic missiles. Beijing
Wow.
just got caught doing us dirty.
Wow.
And Trump will make them pay.
That's insane. Jeez. Is that 4 hours ago? Reposted by Irish Patriot. Massive explosion. Rocks. Bucharest. I don't know what to say. Romania right now. Huge fireball lights up the nights at the city's main thermal power plant. Over 30 tons of oil and a transformer just went up in flames. This is reportedly the fourth fuel-related industrial incident today across countries. These can't all be coincidences. What's really happening to our energy infrastructure? Definitely not a coincidence. That's insane. I need to bookmark this. Wow. That's cool. You slide it out.
Okay, here we go. What's this?
Oh.
We got Western Rivals, Phantasmal Flames,
What pack is that?
and then whatever set this is in Japanese, and the card.
Whoa.
It's American. It is.
Oh, wow. What?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
There's no way.
Low-key a hit? I don't even know. So this is it's a Charizard from 151, dude. In a PSA 10, this card is like $2,000.
No way.
And it's an 8 or up.
No
So,
way.
let's get this thing off of here.
Oh, no
I
way.
should take off the whole thing? Yeah, I do. Okay.
Oh, shoot.
gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is actually insane. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Wow.
my-
Gem Mint 10.
Holy donut shop. Holy crap.
Whoa.
Dude. Dude.
That is pretty cool. Okay, GameStop. Okay. That's the physical power packs too. Sheesh. What luck. That's bait. That's just a lucky winner posting his lucky pack. Not everyone in life wins. Y'all want to be winners. That's insane. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Breaking. This was posted by Kashi 6 hours ago. Tim Cook to step down as Apple CEO. Yo. Who's replacing him? John Turnus. John Turnus. Who is John Turnus, you may say? He's an American engineer and business executive who has served as the senior vice president of hardware engineering at Apple Inc. Since 2021, reporting to the company's CEO, Tim Cook. He is scheduled to succeed Cook as CEO on. Oh, okay, so it is going to be official that this guy is going to succeed Cook as CEO on September 1st, 2026. Wow. University of Pennsylvania. He's 50 years old. Let's see. He's a veteran Apple executive recognized as the incoming CEO and the former senior vice president of hardware engineering. He is also known for overseeing the development of major products, including every iPad model, AirPods, the iPhone 17 lineup, and the transition of the Mac to Apple Silicon. He's been at Apple since 2001 when he joined the product design team. As of April 2026, he has been with the company for approximately 25 years. Currently serves as the senior vice president. Blah, 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 blah. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see what he would bring to the table for Apple. Would it be good? Would it be bad? Would it be something that I don't know? What is Apple doing right now? What is Apple done? Apple's at $273.05 at the close. Wow. Would have never thought. And Apple had reached an all-time high of $288.62. I remember once upon a time it was in the hundreds. And they had a forward split, I believe. Yes, it did. That's crazy. That's insane how much Apple has grown throughout all those years. Insane. Cook ran Apple for 15 years, and the most exciting product launch is his exit interview. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. Well, then. Yeah, get that Cook out of there. What is this? What is this?
I paid $13,000 for a card on eBay through the PSA Vault. PSA then relists my card, sells it for $15,000, doesn't send me a refund, and says it was a technical error. It's exactly what happened to my friend TCG Collector right here. Guys, I spoke to him. It's a crazy story. PSA is back in the spotlight. Let's get right into it.
Oh boy, what is
show you guys
PSA
all the emails
doing?
between him and PSA, between PSA Vault, between eBay. Guys, it is a crazy story. He bought a card on April 8th. He wired in the $13,000, and eBay received the money 2 to 3 days later, as PSA Vault should work. If you buy the card, it shows up in your Vault. You can now browse through the cards that you bought on eBay, so you can avoid taxes. It goes directly to your Vault. You don't have to worry about shipping, transit issues, nothing like that, right? They end up telling them that they're having technical issues, right? So he emails them, just like anybody would. Guys, you're worried. It's $13,000. They end up telling him that, unfortunately, they're going to flag this transaction and they're going to push it higher. They end up pushing it to the engineering team. They escalated the case, and they emailed him back saying that basically a huge progress was made and that his card was going through the final phases of his transfer. In between all of this, PSA Vault was telling him to contact eBay. eBay was telling him to contact PSA. PSA was telling him to contact PSA Vault. It's a lot of back and forth.
That is a lot of back and forth. Jeez.
Showed that the card was listed on 4/13 and sold on 4/15, when he purchased and wired the money on 4/8, guys. So they took his card, relisted it, sold it for $2,000.
Wow.
He wasn't even getting a refund until he actually reached out.
Fuck.
Completely against eBay's policy. Sellers are contractually obligated to complete the sale when a buyer makes a purchase for no reason. Should it just be canceled, refund, sell it to somebody else for higher?
Oh,
At that point, it's just bad
man.
You know what the funniest part about all of this is that he finally gets it resolved. Unfortunately, he's probably not going to get the card at all.
Yo, that's crazy.
They got the refund on the way, and they took the $50 shipping.
No.
So he's actually getting $12,950.
Fuck.
His money was basically in limbo for like a week. I share these videos for awareness. Please.
Oh no.
PSA Vault. We've seen horror stories. We've seen cards. People having hundreds of thousands of dollars in cards getting just locked up. No access to their cards. So, again, share this video for awareness. Has this happened to you? Let me know in the comments.
Maybe. Man, that sucks. Oh, yeah. Jeez. That is. Wow. I mean, that's just. Wow. I mean, that's just like. I can't even like. That's insane. I mean, that makes me think, like, maybe I shouldn't do the GameStop power packs if that's the case. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even want to be able to do that. Maybe just, oh, okay, here's what Moisley was talking about. Avis budget group car is going vertical, now up 23%. 88% of the flow is reportedly short, triggering a massive short squeeze. Are you kidding me right now? Car? Ah, man. Oh, wait a minute. Are you serious right now? This was up 23.27%. Are you sure this is car doing this? Or is it alongside with SPY? Cause, bro, I mean, or am I just seeing things? Like, what is this? Hold on. No. Yeah, no, not even. This is completely different. Man, look at this, man. You serious right now? Oh, this thing was like at the beginning of the month of April. This thing was like at 148, 150, give or take. And this thing, every day since then, was just climbing up like crazy until this point of what happened today. From 480 all the way to as high as 617, 618. That is a squeeze. That is definitely a squeeze. Wow, dude, and it's even up another. I mean, wow. That is even higher than what it was before. This thing closed at $608.80. This thing went up another almost 3%. Pretty much 3%. It hit $632.61. What on earth? Avis budget. What are you guys doing behind the scenes? What is why? Whoa. Explain yourself. How much is this is gonna continue? Look at that, man. That is people just getting rich off of plays like this. Can you just imagine that? Wow. But anyways, I think I've seen enough. I've seen enough for sure. Look at that. Look at that BlackBerry up 13.17%. Even BlackBerry looks the same too. This is on the 5-minute chart, by the way. It looks like it has been running for the past couple of days. And now at 550. Yo, TP, shout out to TP. Because I know TP is... I know he's balling right now. Wow. USAR just bouncing back too. This is insane. I mean, look at all these opportunities. This is wild. Mind you, here USAR, USA Rare Earth, was at like $13.87 back in March 30th. This thing hit a high of 23.69 today. This morning. You have plug closing 322, and this was at a 52-week low of 69 cents. Now closing at 322. BlackBerry was 52-week low of 312. High now at 571. Blink. Blink charging looks like another one that could blow its top off and maybe start surging past over $1. This is just some mentions that we might have to look into, and of course not all of this is non-financial advice. Even D-Nut, can you believe that? Even D-Nut here, it was at like $3 before. Then you had earnings. This popped to like over $4. Came back down to $3.15. Went back up to $3.80. Came back down to $3.20. And now it's closing in on $4. D-Nut. That's Krispy Kreme. For those who do not know. But D-Nut just almost reaching $4. Crazy. Then you have Hertz. Fishy here mentioning about Hertz, and thanks to the Mo guy. Wait, what's his name again? Midas. The guy Midas who mentioned about Hertz like a few months ago. This thing was at like 370 mid-March. This thing closed at 781. Says here that Hertz Global outlines recovery path for 2026. Brighter days ahead. The Hertz turnaround plan, pricing, depreciation, and cash flow. This trend is crazy. You might have seen this break over 850. Imagine if this starts to squeeze all of a sudden. Hey, Avis. Hello, Avis. Think about what Avis is doing. What if Hertz somehow gets some type of a sympathy push from Avis? Mind you, they're both rentals as well. And that's just me just hypothesizing, because I know Avis and Hertz. So imagine that. That would be insane. I haven't checked Fintel in so long. Now I'm curious. And this is for Hertz. Ticker symbol HTZ. If this can actually load. Hello. Can you load, please? Can you load? And browser check? You don't need to check my browser. You've been using Chrome for so long. What is this? Not found. Wow, so now all of a sudden it's not working on my Google Chrome. Alright, yeah, sure. Whatever you say. Why would he do that, bro? Are you serious? There's no way. There's no way they actually do that. That's crazy. Yikes. Gosh. Bro, you serious? No way. No. Oh, the thing just... No! Oh boy. Oh, the Tigers in the freaking benches. No, my God, no. Oh no. What is he doing? How do you just control that? What? Yo, what am I seeing, bro? That's crazy. Stop spending almost double using Uber Eats. Yeah. Tens of thousands of young Chinese people are becoming homeless because they are blacklisted by a social credit system. The digital wallet WeChat immediately bans you from spending your own digital money or receiving salary. What the heck is going on? That's wild. Jeez. Yo, this doesn't make any sense. I think I've seen enough, man. That's enough. Alright, yo. I think I'm about to just call the stream. Anyways. Yeah, appreciate the love. Fishy, Lewis, Calzone. Thank you for hopping into the stream. Again, Fishy, thank you for the gifted membership, the 10 super chat, the 10 buckaroos. The FX Carlos vids. If you post it on Discord, we'll see it. But yeah, this is a work in progress, so we're gonna slowly cook, and eventually it'll get better throughout time. But yeah, shout out to everybody. And thank you for taking the time to be here and chilling with yours truly, LionOfAllTradez, here in the Lion's Den. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a great night and enjoy your Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your week. Peace out. Take care. Ciao. Good night. Love y'all.